Select the radio icon. By holding click, drag the icon to the place where you want to place it. Select the style icon. By clicking text color, you can customize the color of the property's text. You can select the default green color, or select the default black color. You can also modify the opacity of the selected color. Click icon check to remove the color from the text. By clicking on the Customize Color icon, you can customize the color of the text. By clicking on this area, you open a range of colors in which you can select the one of your choice to contrast with the primary and secondary colors. By clicking on this area, you have the option of being able to enter the color code if you already have a color standard. The formats you can choose are RGB, HSL, and hex. By clicking dimensions, you can change the value of the width and height of the component. By clicking in the typography area, in the font size option, you can change the font size. When you click on the lock, the font size is returned to the default value. By clicking in the style area, you can manipulate the style of the text. You can customize fonts in bold, italics, and underlining. In the margins area, you can customize the values of the internal borders, as well as the external ones. You can also link all areas or edit them separately by turning blue lines on and off. Select the orientation area. When you click horizontal radius orientation, you can orient the radius horizontally regarding the orientation of the control. When you click vertical radius orientation, you allow the radius to be oriented vertically regarding the orientation of the control. When you click label orientation, you allow the text to be oriented horizontally regarding the radius orientation. When you click label orientation, you allow the text to be oriented vertically relative to the radius orientation. Select the data icon. When you click control name, you can change the name of the control. The option Enable Dynamic Loading works to give the element a loading appearance. Turn on the option Control is hidden to hide the property controls. In the list options, radio button area displays the different options that the radius will display so you can choose between them. Click on the events icon. By clicking on the plus button, you can add a new event. When you add the onChange event, it is triggered when the radius value changes. Thank you for watching this video.